What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back, guys. So, our last kitchen table talk here as I head back to London, then the Middle East. So I thought today, guys, I just released this system for you guys, and this will help you become a profitable trader. See, the problem for a lot of you is not really being a good trader. Everybody knows things. Everybody has knowledge, right? It's free. It's on the internet. Everybody knows the setups. Everybody knows how to trade. Everybody knows support resistance, when something is about to go up, when something's about to go down. And they also have all these gimmicks, and maybe you understand psychology. But one thing many people don't have is a system to follow day after day. Many people just enter the markets and they just want to make as much money as possible. All right? But what ends up happening is, even if they make money, they lose all of it, majority of it. And if they don't make any money, then they just lose. So this system, guys, I've been using for a while, and it's going to help you. I can promise you that. If you follow it and adhere by it strictly, because it's going to require a strict follower. So this system is called Martingale, and it's been used in the betting world. And if you take it here into this world of trading, where you are in control of the outcome, the probability of you becoming successful is higher than it is in the betting world, because here you're playing with roulette when you're using Martingale betting system. And I'm going to explain to you how it works. But if you take it to the trading world, in the betting world, you've got about a 49% chance of actually becoming successful and profitable. But in the betting world, you have about an 80% chance of becoming successful and profitable. Because at the end of the day, you control the outcome. And you can use all the knowledge you have to follow this system. So guys, let's get right into it. Let's go through this system. Let me explain to you how you can use it. You can use it with trading stocks, crypto, forex, anything else you want to trade it with. Some of you have heard of it already. But let me explain it to you in more details. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't already, make sure to smashy, guys. Alright, guys, so let's get right into it. Here, I have two things. I have the traditional Martingale and my system, guys. This is what I do. Now, you can use this if you want, if it makes sense to you, but I'm going to explain both and how it works with on the chart. So, first of all, here is my kind of system. I cap it to 10 trades a day. Right? That's my max that I can do. That's if you want. You can do 20, 50, 100 if you want. There's about 200 trading setups a day. If we look at the charts, guys, you will have about 200 patterns or trading setups you can do. Whether it's shorting the tops, buying the bottom. Look at this. Here's one. Here's another top. Here's a third top. Here's a fourth top. And then boom, fifth. 6, 7, 8, and the list goes on, guys. Or you can buy the bottoms. Here's another bottom. Here's another bottom. Whatever. There's plenty of things you can do here, guys. But because there's 200, I'm only gonna take 10 good trading setups based on this on the chart. So my max trades is 10. My max risk is 15 points. That means, guys, if and when I do enter, let's say, a short position here on top, right? And I'm going to have to put a hard stop loss of 15 points from my entry. The better entry you have, the better your stop loss is going to be, and it won't even be tested. So the point here is, I make a trade, I have a stop loss, and it's fixed. I will never move it, and it's 15 points from my entry. And this will require you to actually have a good entry if you don't want your stop loss to be tested. The minimum profit I want to take is 15 points as well. There's no way, if I'm 15 profits, 15 points or 15 cents or whatever cents you're going to give yourself in profit, I will put my stop loss just right after the 15 points. So I will secure the 15 points no matter what. And that's why this has to be strict. And you'll know why. So now that you understand that my max risk, my max reward has to be the same per each trade, minimum. So here's how it goes. Let's imagine you actually have a $1,000 trading account, or pounds, whatever. What you want to do now is you want to go in with your first trade. Your first trade, maybe you're using one contract. One contract. Okay, the first trade didn't work out. You're now minus 15 points. Okay, so now you're at minus 15 points. So what you do with the traditional martingale is you will actually double this time. You will go 2 contracts, right? If you actually remember, the probability of being wrong these amount of times in a row is very low. So the first trade we lost. We just lost 15 points because, of course, we timed it wrong and we just read the system or the graph here wrong. Trade 2 contracts equals plus 30 points because this trade actually came to life. All right. So now we're actually in profit, 15 points. So now the next trade you want to do, you'll go back to the original account size. You always go back to the original, which is 1 contract. That's if you're trading with 1 contract, of course. Now let's assume this time it's actually a profit. What do? Well, nothing. You just take your 15 points. But what if you have 1 contract again and you're trading again and you have minus 15 points? And then the next one, another, you do 2. And then equals minus 30 points. Okay. Third one, 3 contracts minus. So what you're doing is you're actually doubling, right? This is going to be 4. Every time you make a trade, you're doubling the trade. 2 contracts minus 30 points. This time you're doing 3 contracts equals minus. This time you're actually gonna come out profitable with 15, 30, 45 points. All right. So that's how it goes. That's the traditional one. So that is the traditional martingale. You can see, guys, that we had many tries here, right? This is the first try, the second try, the third try. We can go to the 4th, the 5th, the 6th. By the end of it, you might be trading with 10 contracts. And by the end of it, you might be risking your whole trading account. But the beauty of the stock market, once you're experienced, you start pinning it down and the probability becomes in your favor and you actually control the outcome. So you see that our risk had to be on point for it to actually be a profitable trade. So my system is more about staying the same, right? So if here we have 1 contract and immediately we lose, well, I will do another 1 contract. Okay, I will do another contract, and if I lose again, I will do the same thing. 1 contract equals another 15 points loss, right? So this is a minus 15. So now I'm down what? 15, 30, 45. The probability of an experienced trader not coming out profitable, I mean, how many losses do you make a day? I know I don't make that many losses, right? This would be extreme to make 4 losses in a row or 4 losses in a day. It's 1 loss that usually destroys the account, not 4. So here I can just stay with the contract size, right? And then I can just keep trading if I wish. But your loss has to be on point, guys. Now you can use either. You can use this system, whichever makes sense to you. I prefer this system because it doesn't require me to keep going and oversizing or risking the whole trading account. So this system I stay, but my amount of trades will have to increase to factor in this. You can never lose probably with this system, guys. If you try it, let me know if it works in the comment section when you do try it. Try it when you're in your next trading session. Cap it to 10 trades and you say, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to stop today here at 10 trades. If by the time you break even, so be it. Stop. All right? Tomorrow another day because the market today isn't given. Maybe tomorrow the market will be given. Maybe The 4 trades you took a loss on will turn out to be 4 profitable trades. And here, all you need really is 6 out of 10 trades to actually be profitable. So you can lose 4 and the rest of the 6 you can win and still be profitable. But if you do 5 out of 5, of course, you'll break even. But the point here is, with time, guys, you will be experienced. And you will have, I mean, look at this. Look at the setups that you have here. Look at these setups. You have 1 short in the top. Here's another one, matter of fact. Look at this. You short at the top here, 13.536. It dropped all the way to 13.510. That's at least 15 points or 20 points in that trade. Here's another trade, 13.552. It dropped all the way to 13. No, this was 13.550. Dropped all the way to 13.552. See, there's so many good setups, and that's how you trade when scalping. Use this system, one of each of these systems, guys, and I promise you'll see some change. But be adherent to it and be strict with it, guys. And of course, not every trade you're going to take 15 points. Some trades that you know are going to work out, you can just put your stop loss over your profit and just sit and wait, and maybe you'll get even more profit than 15 points. But your loss has to remain fixed depending on what you're going to give yourself as a loss and what you're comfortable with for your account size. So guys, have a look in the comment sections, have a look in the description for some resources, and I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, I'll see you in London. I'll probably do a little video for you guys there, maybe a little vlog, show you what London is like. Then we'll head back to the Middle East. See you soon. Peace out.